it's me, Jake, again. Today I will make fruit popsicle. And I've got green grapes, blueberries, an apple, 6 orange, and I got this popsicle mold. Now we need to put the orange in the blender. I'll do it now. Now I will put the blender cup on the blender. I will do it now. Put this here. Now it's for the exciting part. We need to use a spoon to pour some orange juice into the bowl, and then you can put whatever ingredients you want, like grapes and blueberry. I'll do it now. Okay. And then have some blueberries. And then you can poke him in. Now for the last part. We're going to put this popsicle stick in the freezer for 1 day. And then tomorrow we can eat the popsicle. Oh, hello, it's me, Jake. How about let's see the popsicle? The popsicle is in the freezer for 1 day. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, here it is. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, this one. Oh, it's open. Well, it has blueberry, grapes. And now let's eat it. Let's enjoy it.